Hey YouTube, and thank you for watching JunkWorks DIY Garage. Well, we're in my mom's apartment here, and I'm trying to figure out this light here. Now, where we're standing is going to be the kitchen area, and there's going to be countertop here, but there's also going to be countertop going across here. So, when my mom comes in, because this is the only light, I needed to have a light switch here that she could flip on in case she needed to, well, just so she had light. Now I know this is all opened up and there's power going to it. Alright. So I'm not responsible if you do anything I do. If you don't like the way I'm doing something, don't do it. I understand this is open, there's power going to it. This could get dangerous if you do the wrong thing or touch the wrong thing. But right now I'm in my testing phase, and I was having a problem with this three-way switch because I needed to have it so she could come in, flip on the switch and have a light. And also over the counter here, she can flip on this switch and have a light. Well, it's going to be opposite right now because you got to go back and forth. But my problem was I kept flipping a switch, and if I turned this one off, I couldn't turn it on over there. And if I turned that one off, I couldn't turn it on over here. So I was trying to figure things out, and what I ended up figuring out, now my power is actually coming into this one. So I'll show you kind of how a three-way switch works now that I have it figured out. Basically, power going to the black one here. Your red wire from the three-way wire that comes out is going to go into the top above that. At least this is how I have it. And then your black wire, your other feeder wire, is going to be on this side over here on the top there, and then your ground down here on the bottom. And then your two whites are just connected together and keep on flowing. So your neutrals is what I should say. So your power black feeding whatever the actual power is coming from the box down here. Your red wire, which will be a feeder wire to that switch over there. Up here, the other black wire, which is also a power or feeder wire, which goes to the switch over there as well. And your two neutrals together. So then we go over the other switch, and this is where I had the problem at. What it was is I actually had these two black wires mixed up. I had the one that I thought was power coming in going to this black one down here, and I'm not as close as it looks as my finger. I'm a good 4 or 5 inches away right now. So anyway, on the bottom there is a black screw, which is where you want your feeder power coming into here, and then your other one coming into here. Basically. So if you're having the same problem I was, where you're flipping the switch off and you cannot make it work over there with that switch, it's because those two are mixed up. So either way, one of your black wires goes on the bottom, one of your black wires goes on the top. If it's working correctly, you got it right. If it's not, you don't. Then on this side, we have your red wire going in over here. That's your other feeder wire, and your ground as well down here, and your neutrals yet again are put together. So there's a basic idea of how to do a three-way switch. Also a problem that I personally had, because I'm not a professional electrician by any means, and so I had things switched around. Now I understand also, if you can see this, I don't know if you can, I just kind of have wires on there right now. I need to button this up and actually put them on there right and make sure everything's all tight and right. So regardless, there you go. Alright, thanks for watching JunkWorks DIY Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all, but I'm definitely a master of none. You all have a good one.